Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I wanted to share a book review with you on a book that I recently finished reading. It is called Ring Shout by Djèlí Clark. This book is a sort of a mishmash of fantasy, horror, and history. And it's really an imaginative piece of work that I couldn't put down. I raced through it. It's only 172 pages long, so it's kind of a short story, but the action starts fast and really doesn't leave up until the end. And so what's Ring Shout about? Well, as you can see by the cover, it deals with the Ku Klux Klan. The book takes place back in 1915. The Ku Klux Klan, their numbers are rising, and there's a little group of ragtag freedom fighters, I guess you would call them, of African American women, a couple men, but mostly women, who are fighting the Ku Klux Klan. And in this particular story, the Ku Klux Klan aren't entirely human. There are two sides to the Klan. There are the Klan, who are basically the white men, humans, and then there are the Ku Kluxes, who are, I guess you would call them demons. They're like monsters who they look like humans, but they don't really act like humans. You have the Ku Kluxes, who are like these monsters, and then you have the Klan, who are the white racist men. And these particular and the freedom fighters are there to take out the monster side of the Ku Klux Klan. This book was very well received. It was to a 2021 Nebula Award finalist. It was a best pick for 2020 by NPR. It was a Goodreads Choice Award finalist. It was up and down the board. It was on so many award nomination lists, and it really sparked my interest. I really wanted to see what all the buzz was about. And I have to say that I'm glad that I read it. Being a white man, I'm not going to pretend that I know what the plight of African Americans has been through the course of our history. But reading this book, it really made me see the silent suffering that African Americans have had to deal with everything that they've been put through by white people in this country throughout the years. It's something in your mind that you know is there, but reading it, this book is really the first book that really opened my eyes to see like the depth of the pain and just how much strength it takes to not, I guess, rise up and fight back in the way that you would imagine somebody who has been held down so long might rise up and fight back. The fact that African Americans, like I said, suffer silently in a lot of ways is really powerful, and I don't know, it really struck me. It really made me open my eyes, and it really makes everything that this country is going through right now that much more eye-opening. And just as far as the injustices and everything else that's been going on, and but that's the beauty of books, and in particular, I think the beauty of horror, when a writer can take these weighty subjects like that and fashion them into an entertaining story that winds up opening your eyes and really making you think. And that is the beauty, and that is how you can tell that Djèlí Clark is a master at his craft and created truly a one-of-a-kind book that I absolutely loved. So yeah, definitely Ring Shout is a 5-star book for me. Like I said, it's only 172 pages, but what happens in those 172 pages is quite a lot. I highly recommend it, that anybody should read this book. I think it's a book that teenagers should read, just to give them some insight into history. Even though this is a fantasy / horror book, there is history in this book, and it's a book that makes you think. And like I said, I can't recommend it highly enough. Djèlí Clark's Ring Shout, 5 stars. Definitely pick it up. I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to pick it up for yourself or somebody that you know. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time with another review. Thanks.